But now's the time that like all the sweats would like to get on. No, I can't. I tried to hit him with the first shot. The first shot does more damage. And like, I died to Mummy. Mummy XOX. Well, it happens. It's part of life. Shit happens. There you go. What is Eric doing? Wait, what level is Aiden now? 30? Is that 630? Yeah. Consent. Jesus. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Over. Yep. You won't. Oh, after the deal's finished, yeah, he'll play with you. Yeah. Well, aren't you already like Unreal or something? Oh, okay. Well, you get there. Well, that happens. Well, he's playing with Eric at the moment, so like. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No weapon. So there. Yep. I only had one more splash left. Yeah, I went up top. Kill him. He's in the bush. You get him? Come back up. Sweet. Alright, Travis. Isn't his concert soon? Oh, yep. Ah, yep. Nice. You'd be keen for that, eh? Mm-hmm. Well, they can't play all of them. Like I'm going to the Green Day one, and they're playing 2 full albums, which is very rare. Yeah. Hit him once. There's two, just run. Stay alive. It's Loco Coco, whoever that is. Yeah. They're gonna be holding, so. Yep. Yeah. You are, maybe. Let's go for that chest. Mini. Got him. Yeah, there's only one left down in there. Jesus. Oh, he's keen. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, they're camping. One's landing like there. Or like over there, sorry. I'm in tilted now. Being chased. I'm just getting out. Splashes. Oh my god, thank god. We saw me. I had to chow. He saw me last second, so there's nothing I could have done there. Mm-hmm. Well, Oh, jeez. Oh, I don't have a shoddy. Yeah. I got 7 seconds. 5. Yep, I'm up. I've heard that name before. Yeah. Did you? Oh, nice. That's alright then. Oh, I went up 11. Okay. Noosh. You're funny, Alex. You're funny. $15. What is up with my Fortnite tonight? I'm gonna restart my Fortnite. Yeah. Ah. Oh, my bad, chat. I might just give the Epic launcher a restart as well, chat. Close it Discord too. Where are we? Here we go. Yeah. Did that even finish downloading Rocket League? I guess it did, right? Ah, it's on recently purchased. Wait. I was about to say, like, why was Rocket League the only one in my library? That sort of made me panic a little bit, but like, we're good. Oh, actually, that's actually perfect timing. Holy shit! I didn't realize what the time was. Yeah, chat. That's actually perfect time. I might actually end. I might actually end up instead of end up here tonight. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that. All right, chat. All right. Big shout outs, chat. I'm gonna end up. Oh yeah, we'll end up. All right, chat. Big shout outs to Brady, Steph, and Mrs. Mother of the Duck as well. Big shout outs to everyone, all the lurkers, everyone who's coming tonight as well. all the newcomers, all the new subs, all the new followers who's come in tonight as well. Yeah, I didn't realize what the time was too. So you'll have like a little bit of an earlier one. We've been like really tired lately, so I don't know what's going on. So could just be like overworking and shit. So yeah. All right, chat. I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully we've got a stream tomorrow. Should do. If not, I'll let you guys know in the Discord. But until then, take care, peace out, and have an absolute beautiful